Hello everyone. I wanted to go over how we could add a while loop to our program that asks the user to enter in the birth month, day, and year as numbers and translates them into the corresponding string month, such as if it was 01, it would be January. So in the example that you see in front of you, I have three variables declared, month, day, and year, and they're all integer. I ask the user to enter in the birth month. I read it into the month variable. Then I ask for the birthday, then I ask for the birth year. What I want to do is after each one of these, I want to make sure that the value they entered for month is not less than 0 or greater than 12. And if it is, I want the user to have a chance to make the correction. So the nice thing we can do is use a while loop. I can say while month is less than 0, or if they happen to put a month that's greater than 12, meaning that they entered an invalid month, then I want to enter this block of code that tells the user that they made a mistake, system.out.println, and I'm going to say you entered an invalid month. Please try again. Now, the trick here with a while loop is that I now need to read in the new month that the user types. Otherwise, I'll have what we call an infinite loop. So I'm going to go ahead and do month equals in dot next int. Okay, and that will allow the user to type in a different value. So we're going to do the same thing for day and year, but let's go ahead and test out month first. So I'm going to run this. And right here it says please enter the birth month. I'll put in an invalid number, 13, and it says you entered an invalid month, please try again. And maybe I made a mistake and I wanted to enter in 12. Okay, now I need to put in the birthday, so I'll put in 11, and the year I'll put 1947. It translates that to December 11th, 1947. So you can see how that while loop allows the user to correct their mistake. So in order to change the other two, I'm going to copy this code and just place it below day and year. So go ahead and update the code to include the same logic for day and year. As you can see, I added the logic for day and said if the day is less than 0 or greater than 31, then I know it was an invalid day, and the same thing for year. I said if the year is less than 0 or greater than the current year, which is 2013, then you entered an invalid year, please try again. I'll show you one more time how this would work, so I'll do an error for each one. Birthday, let's do 32. And also let's do -1, and you'll see how it keeps going until they enter a valid day. So valid day, and then the birth year, 1960. Okay, so that's how you can add a while loop to validate the user input and give the user a chance to try again. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.